A lot of people have been asking me how to access Meta AI. I suppose you know that Meta is the parent company for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Now, if you are wondering how you can access Meta AI, I am going to show you that in this particular video. My name is Patugu and I do videos around educational technology and digital tools. If this is the kind of video you would like to see in the future, please consider subscribing. And if you are ready, let's dive in. So to access Meta on your mobile phone, all you need to do is to go to WhatsApp. Then you will see search bar here. From that search bar, you can go to Meta. You can as well go to Meta through here. So let me use the search bar option because of this blur. So if I click on this search bar, I will now type anything that I want to search. Let's say meaning of goat in football. After that, I'll press search and the Meta will go on to explain this concept for me. You know, it means greatest of all time. So this is how to access Meta from WhatsApp. If you are on Facebook, you can also do the same thing. So just come to search here. You will see Meta icon. It's also for searching. Okay. But when you type something, let me use the same search term, goats in football. So Meta will ask you, the Facebook app will now ask you if you want to search in Facebook or you want to search using AI. So if I click on this, it's going to give me information. It's loading the information now. Oh, this time it's generated image, even when I didn't ask it to generate image. Okay, but that is all good. Now let us show you how you can also access Meta AI without using Facebook or WhatsApp. If you like, you can also go to the website direct, which is metaai.com. Once you come to this web address, Meta will ask you to do what? To sign up using your Facebook. You can do that if you want. Otherwise, you just put your year of birth. Then you start using Meta. For example, if I have any question to ask Meta, I can drop my question here. Give me an idea about Indiana Ocean. Then after that, I'll click here. The AI will go to work and start to tell me everything it knows about Indiana Ocean. Remember that all of these AI tools scrap their content from the internet. It's just that sometimes they will paraphrase them to make them to look original. So you can also give it a follow-up question. For example, which country is in charge of this location? Then I'll press enter. It will search. Do you see? It will search and also bring out the information as you have asked. Then there are other things you can do with Meta AI. You can use it to write computer codes. For example, if I say generate a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for to-do list app, then press enter, the AI will write the code. So you can as well test out the code to know if it is working or not. Another thing you can do with Meta AI is that you can use it to generate images. For example, if I say generate an image of African market background with women selling food stuff, then press enter. The Meta AI will generate images for me depending on the prompts that I have provided. So we have 4 images here. You can choose any one of your choice. Assuming I want this, I'll just click on download and it will download it for me. I hope this video was helpful. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Remember to drop your comments in the comment section. Also remember that we have reviewed Google Gemini AI. The video is popping up now. You can also check the link in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.